Alright, here's a quick step-by-step guide on how you can view your card number on the Chase app. First, you want to open up the Chase app, you will unlock your phone and tap on the Chase icon. Next, you will have to log in. You want to enter your username and password, or you can also use Face ID or Touch ID if you have it set up. You will find your card on the home screen. You want to scroll to the account for your credit or debit card, and you will tap on Show Card Details. This is going to be under the card image or in the account menu. You will then have to verify your identity. The app will ask for Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode again, and you will be able to view your card number, your full card number, the expiration date, CVV, and they should appear on screen. Don't take screenshots of your card number because you want to keep it secure. If this doesn't work, another thing that I can suggest doing is checking your payment slips. Under the transactions on your email, you will be able to view your card number. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.